Today, we're making a budget-friendly Japanese curry that only costs $2 a serving and makes 10 meals. This delicious curry stew has carrots, corn, chicken, celery, and onion. It's not only cheap to make, which is perfect as we are trying to save money these days, but easy to meal prep and saves lots of time and energy during the week. There's no fancy cooking techniques or time-consuming prep. This stew is delicious for lunch or dinner and a great option for your family or yourself. Curry stew is a great option for people looking to save money on food while still enjoying a delicious meal. Today, we'll even portion this out into individual servings, which are ideal for reheating in the microwave during the week. Saving money on food has never tasted better. So, let's get cooking. We'll start by chopping up 4 to 5 sticks of celery. And 5 to 6 carrots. Then dice up 1 yellow onion into large pieces. And add 220 grams of curry mix. I like to use SMB curry, which can be found at most grocery stores, or your local Asian market. We'll then add 5 cups of water. Add the lid and allow it to pressure cook on high setting for 15 minutes. While we wait, let's slice up our chicken. We're using about 1 and 1.5 pounds of chicken. You can also use tofu or beef depending on which protein you like. Ground meat is also a great option to save money as well. After 15 minutes, we'll turn it to simmer and add our chicken to the pot. While it's still hot and on simmer, we'll stir in our chicken until it's fully cooked. We'll then add 1 cup of frozen corn and stir. Once cooked, we can turn off our pressure cooker and stir for a little bit more. And boom, we have a super easy $2 Japanese curry stew ready for the week. We can give each serving a scoop of rice and curry. This reheats in the microwave in about 3 to 4 minutes and tastes delicious. All in all, this recipe makes about 10 servings, which is enough for an entire work week of lunch and dinner. Feel free to add other veggies and toppings that you enjoy in your curry. Meal prepping is a great option for saving money as prices continue to rise. Not only does this help save money, but it saves a ton of time during the week if you're busy and just don't have the energy after work to cook. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.